By the end of this video, you will know a new video site that's going to pay you passive income every month, and you can do it right now. You don't have to make any new videos, you don't have to make any new content. All you need to do is Okay, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Creative Money channel. On this channel, I don't just want to give you some general ideas of how to make money online, I also want to show you actionable advice that you can take and start making money with straight away. Now, this is something that I've been doing myself for the past 6 months, and it's something that anyone can do. As long as you're making videos, if you're making video content, or if you want to make video content, then this will work for you. It does help if you already have an existing library of content. So if you are watching this and you've created videos in the past, or you have a YouTube channel, this is going to be better for you. But even if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, if you haven't made any videos yet, you can still, this is still another source of income besides the traditional ones you might have heard of, like YouTube AdSense and Facebook AdSense and the other ways you might know of making money from video. I'm pretty sure you might not have heard of this one. But if you do have an existing YouTube channel, definitely stick until the end, because this is going to make you money straight away. Alright, let's do it. Right, I'm not going to waste any of your time, I'm going to jump straight into it. The website is LBRY.com, LBRY.com, and it is based on cryptocurrency. Now, don't let that put you off, but it is basically a cryptocurrency version of YouTube. You put your videos up on here and you will get paid in crypto, in their own token, the LBRY token, which is called LBC. And now, don't let that stop you, because I'm going to show you exactly how that works. It's very simple. I know it sounds scary, but it's actually quite easy. Right, so this is the first website you'd get to if you go and search it, and I'll include these links below. It is LBRY.com. Now, this is the important part here. Now, if you are a new YouTuber, or if you don't have a lot of videos up yet, or if you haven't started your YouTube channel, then watch this part anyway, because you'll see how beneficial it can be. You'll see how beneficial it can be if you had a bigger YouTube channel, but I'll also show you after that how you can make money besides having a big YouTube channel. But first, let me show you this. So I'm going to go into the YouTube Partner Program. And this is what I took advantage of. It's the LBRY YouTube Sync. Now, all you have to do is claim your channel. So let's say, that's an old channel I also linked, which I hadn't uploaded videos on in years, and it's still, anyway, let's say I was gonna link my channel. I linked my old one, The Life of Jord, and then I would click claim. I can't do that right now because I've already linked it. So if I link, let's say Creative Money. So then I would go through and link it, and I can't exactly show you this part of it, but what will happen then is you'll go through and link it to LBRY. It doesn't give them any special rights to your YouTube channel on YouTube, but what it will give you is then the ability to draw down your videos from YouTube onto LBRY. Don't be scared about that. It's basically, anyone has this ability anyway. If I go to anyone's YouTube video using a third-party website, I could download anyone's YouTube video and have it on my hard drive. So don't worry about that. It is possible. The main thing this gives them is the ability to automatically download the videos from YouTube and upload it onto LBRY. Now, I like that because it means I don't have to do any work. I don't have to do any uploading to LBRY. All my videos are going to go directly from my Life of Jord channel onto LBRY, and I'm going to get paid again on LBRY. Any AdSense I'm getting on YouTube is completely separate. They don't touch YouTube. It's completely, YouTube stays as YouTube, but my videos are now being posted additionally on LBRY. So how much do you get? So if you just scroll a bit further down, you will see here that this is what you earn depending on how many subscribers you have. First of all, you'll see for 1,000 subscribers, you get 1,000 LBC per year, roughly an extra $35 a year. It's not bad. It's something for nothing, and it's another place where people can find you. It's another place where people can see your videos. If you're starting out, then I don't see the downside personally. I would have my videos in as many places as possible, because that's more people that are going to find you. Even by having your videos on this platform, which it's automatic, more people will come and find you on YouTube, and you'll be building up a bigger personal brand because more people have seen your videos. So if you just took advantage of that, this is what you can make each year. And this is paid into your account on here monthly. So I took advantage of the 100,000, that's 20,000 tokens per year of the LBC, which works out as about $700 a year. Initially I just thought, okay, I'll try this, check it out, why not, we'll see what it's like. And it's worked consistently for the last 6 months. So let me show you now exactly how it works. For every view you get on LBRY, you get 1 to 5 LBC tokens per view. So, and an LBC token, right now, I will just show you right now, it is the equivalent of, one LBC token is the equivalent of about 3 cents. So you're getting about 3 cents per view. You might think that doesn't sound like anything, but 1,000 views would be, or 1,000, 3 cents, be $30 CPM. That's pretty good. Yeah, $30. And now that is actually pretty good. That's a very high CPM on YouTube. Now the important thing is here that you're getting it again. You're just getting it on top of whatever other video platforms you're posting to. And obviously as you have more YouTube subscribers, you're bringing more people to the platform or more value to the platform, so you're getting a bigger reward. And now this is paid straight away. If you're watching this with a YouTube channel, all you have to do is, well, I'll include the link below to go and sign up, or message me if you want any more details about it. But if you just want to go straight to it, you just drop your handle in there. You'll then sync your channel. Doesn't give them any special rights to your content. It just gives them the ability to post those videos on LBRY. Now what you will also get is, once you've signed up, I can then take you to my channel right here. So this is my channel right here. This is what I have. I have 2,700 followers on here, which is an additional 2,700 that I wouldn't have got if the videos weren't on there. And every single one of my videos, I've done nothing for any of these. All of these videos are just up on there automatically. I've never done anything on LBRY other than that first little click where I said authorize, and now all of them go across to this platform in good quality, and they're backed up in an additional place besides YouTube, which is cool. You know, I don't know what will last longer, probably YouTube, but if YouTube did go belly up, then all my videos are here as well, which is great. It's a nice backup for them. But these videos are also generating revenue for me. So each of these videos is also receiving views and receiving AdSense on top of the money that I'm getting, or the LBC that I'm getting just from bringing across my videos to the platform. And now this is where I said it doesn't matter if you don't have a YouTube channel, because you can still upload videos natively on the platform. You can publish them here, you can upload them, and then you can still get views on LBC. Or if you're posting them to your YouTube channel without views, you'll still automatically without a large amount of subscribers, you'll still automatically get them taken across to LBRY. Now the reason I only have 8 on here right now, which is worth about 24 cents, is because I've already transferred the money across to a different exchange where I can get it back into USD, GBP, Bitcoin, or wherever else you want. I use a website called Bittrex, and all I would do is I would send money, I would send the LBC each month to my Bittrex address, and then I'll be able to withdraw from there into my bank account. That's a whole separate process, and you can Google videos for that. I would just search on YouTube how to withdraw from Bittrex, but this is literally that's the whole process here for LBRY. You just get paid, withdraw it, and then you can either store it in Bitcoin or very easily transfer it back to your bank account. It's not as scary as people make out. I know people hear cryptocurrency and they're like, I don't know what to do, but it is quite a straightforward process. And that is literally it. I kind of wish I had more to say about it, but that is it. I mean, the amount does go up and down. So right now, the LBC is worth 0.032 USD. That's gone up before to 0.08. So actually it was worth a lot more then. It's also gone down to like 1 cent, so it does vary. But right now, just for right now, 1,700 per month, which is what I'm getting from my YouTube channel. I get $55 every month for having my videos on there, plus the other views, which usually works out as around 300 plus an extra $10. So I'm getting an extra $60 for absolutely nothing. Now I know some of you, if you're watching this without a YouTube channel, you might be thinking, well, great, that doesn't help me. Well, it can. It's just another revenue stream that you can add to your arsenal. So if you want to be able to make money through video, well, don't ignore this. This is a way you can definitely also make money, and it all adds up. It's all different revenue streams. If YouTube's down, well, I still have this. I hope that helps, and if nothing else, I hope it gives you an idea that you can make money in ways you might not have thought of online. There is definitely ways to make money from your video content and from the content you're creating. So if you are creating and you're building up a library of your own intellectual property, which are your videos, you will be able to make money from them. This is something new that's only come around in the last year or so. I only found out about it in the last year, and there will be other video platforms that pop up all the time. And if you've got a library of video content to be able to put on these platforms, then you have value that you could bring to these platforms and you will get paid for it. I hope that helped. If it did, then drop me a comment below and subscribe to this channel. Let's build it up higher so when I move it across the library, we get even more passive income. For now, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.